Hello people, welcome to Ada's Recipes channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. If today is your first time of visiting this channel, you are highly welcome. Do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video, and also click on the notification bell so you can be the first to get um amazing videos from this channel. All right, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you on how to preserve your vegetables without a refrigerator. This is not a popular video on YouTube, but I deem it fit because power supply is a very big problem in Nigeria. So for those of you who are in Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about in terms of power supply. So you can actually preserve your vegetables without a refrigerator, and it comes out fresh depending on when you want to use it. All right, so make sure you watch this video to the end, as I'll be sharing with you this information on how to preserve your leafy vegetables without a refrigerator. All right, so as you guys can see, what I'm using for these tutorials is ugu leaves. All right, you can also apply this vegetable, this process I'm going to be sharing with you, method I'm going to be sharing with you, with other vegetables. All right, you can use it for your oha if you want to preserve your oha. All right, so as you guys can see, I have ugu here, and the ugu has been removed from the sticks. All right, I removed it because ugu sticks are much more a kind of larger or something. So I had to remove it from the sticks. All right, and leaving the leaves itself. All right, so this is it. So let's get into the process proper. So the first thing you'll be doing here is you'll be arranging the ugu leaves. All right, you're going to be arranging the ugu leaves. You'll be picking them one after the other to put them a kind of in order. You arrange the ugu leaves like what I'm doing here. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing here. So this is what you'll be doing. So like I rightly said, I know this video will be of benefit to especially persons in Nigeria considering power supply. All right, so the truth that with this method you can preserve your ugu as long as you want, and it still comes out fresh. With this method I'll be showing you guys. All right, so you're already done with this part. So the first thing to note, for this to really work out is make sure your ugu leaves, are dried. All right, make sure they are dried, like dry, no trace of water. As you guys can see, there are traces of water on my on this because I want to use it right away. All right, so but for the sake of this tutorial, I had to use it to show you guys how the process look like. But make sure you have no trace of water on your ugu leaves. That is what you should, take note of. Because once there is a trace of water, the truth is it will go bad. All right. But without trace of water or traces of water, this can serve you as long as you want. So if you want to use it for like 1 week, it comes out fresh, using this method. So the first thing is you're going to be using a newspaper to wrap this. You're going to be wrapping it. Make sure there is no trace of water. All right. You're going to be wrapping it this way. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Then with another newspaper, you do the same. You do the same, you wrap it this way. All right. You wrap it this way. So then you fold it well. All right. So, and the next thing to notice, depending on when you're going to be using this, say if you'll be using it in the next 1 week, after 5 days, every 5 days, change this paper. All right. Change the paper, after 5 days. All right. So if you'll be using it in the next 2 weeks, it then means you change it after 5 days, depending on when you want to use it. And the truth is, it will come out as fresh as you want. All right. Provided you stick to every point. All right. I've mentioned in this video. Like I said, make sure you have no trace of water. So this is it. You can decide to leave the rubber band and fold it well, right, and just keep it in a cool, dry place, and that is it. All right. So this is what how to preserve your ugu leaves, without, or your vegetable without a refrigerator. I hope this video helps someone out there. So thank you guys for watching. If you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.